Manipur thokliba Irang Asi India Leingak Amadi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Akanba Mityeng Changduna Loisinnaba hotnari haina donor-gi Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia na phongdokkhre Indian Express ki Express Ada haina mingthonba program amada Indian Express ki Bandita Mishra ga unaba amada wapamasi Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia na phongdokhibani program aduda Manipur da hojik thokliba Irang Asi gi matangda Indian Express ke Bandita Mishra na hangba wahang singi paukum piraduna Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia hai Manipur da thokliba issue ase ngasi ngarang gi nate haukiba chahi nifurong gi mamangdagi haurakibani state asida thokliba Irang Asi India Leingak Amadi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na khwaidagi henna lumna lore Irang Asi loishinnaba Union Government na Nongma kangnana angam bathakta hotnari thokliba Irang Asi legacy gi issue ni masi aikhoina nathaibi yaroi issue ase tungkoiba warushin ama puraknaba India government na hotnaba leptre North-East region ase Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba Leingak Asina yamna lumna lawriba reason amane reason ase manglomda changsinnaba Leingak Asina mamang gamanadaba mongda tongan-tonganba sector singda ahenba senfam thadaduna chaukat maikaida puraknaba hotnari kumja lisingani taramari da donor gi oina mamangi Leingak na reason asigi lupa crore lisingani khak kaithoklamba adu Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba Leingak Asi lakpadagi donor ministry na reason asigi lupa crore lising taruk ki senfam kaithokli masi mamangi Leingak na kaithoklamba senfam adudagi saruk ahum henani Amaromda mamangi Leingak na kumja lisingani taramari da North-East region gi oina line ministry Yankai Madi gi apunba senfam dagi chada tara gross budgetary support oina lupa crore lising kun kaithoklamba adu ngasidi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba Leingak Asina lupa crore lakh ama ga lising ahum kaithokli masina reason asida Leingak Asina yengliba meeting ase kayamuk lumna lawi haibadu mayik sengna takli haina Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia na makataki
Manipur, let me tell you, Vandita, is not something that's happened yesterday. You're as aware as I am that the Manipur issue has been an issue for the last 4 decades. It certainly has the highest attention of government and the Prime Minister. We're working at it every single day, but it is a legacy issue. We have to face that. That doesn't mean that you step away from it. You have to confront it and you have to resolve it to the best of your ability. But we are working at it. But in the interim of that, the Northeast has to grow as a growth engine of India. And it is geographically amazingly placed. Our east and our south fully connected with the Northeast. Why can't we're thinking of building highways that will go all the way down to Myanmar and Bangladesh. Our coastal shipping area should go from ports in Bangladesh straight to Calcutta. So there are tremendous possibilities, which is what this government is working on. But at the same time, you do have issues. There is no government that is not faced without issues. But we will try and resolve it to the best of our ability.